What are you doing, Rich?
I am, apart from making a mess, you mean?
Yeah.
I've drained the coolant system, majority of it on the floor. So I've put a towel down to clean that up, and I'm just sorting out the cooling system. So radiator's coming out because it's off in the bin, because it's pissing out from more places than all else. While that is off, not that I need more excess, but while it's off, I'll have a look at the water pump to find out why that bolt's missing and sort out the leak around the water pump and this leak here and that leak there as well. So yeah, just giving it all a once over and getting it a fettle. Probably sort out the wiring situation around here as well while I'm at it. Just tidy it round, see if it can sit somewhere a little bit nicer as opposed to just slung over. But yeah, we'll see. See how far we get. But yeah, get it out first. See what's happening. One old tired radiator, because obviously it's leaking there around all that neck. Pretty crusty on the inside as well. And there's a little bit of a leak happening around here, whether it's, yeah, when it were on and running there was something happening on this as well, which were another reason to get shut. But yeah, give all that a bit of a wipe down, clean up, sort out, and see what's happening with this lot, what it all is and what it's all for. Get this bad boy off. Right, I'm on to final bolt of my water pump. I've put that one back in just to stop it dropping off when I get to it, but this one is mega tight. As I get so far I have to keep going back. I don't know if it's just a rusty shitty thing or nearly there, but I'm nearly there now. And then we can find out the mystery of why it had a missing bolt. It's leaking more water. Send it up a bit. Yeah, of course I am. It'll stop leaking now, ain't it? No. One water pump. Yeah, it's obviously been leaking. But why that hasn't got one in, I don't know. Feels like it's got threads. So let me just get a bolt.
There's zero reason for
A missing bolt. Yeah, I don't know. So we'll get 4 new bolts. 4 new bolts, clean it up. I'll re-tap them, I'll run a tap down them just to make sure they're nice and clean. We've got some new gaskets. We'll get that all bolted back up. Should be good to go. New radiator. We have to drill us new brackets, but it is the exact same but different, which is there or thereabouts. The drains at the different side. This is around the other side. But yeah, everything else measures up perfectly fine. A little bit thicker, meant to be high flow performance, whether it is or not, but it's not going to leak, which is the main start. The fan that was on will probably be perfectly fine, and I've cleaned up the mating surfaces for the water pump. I'm going to give him a tap, but while I was in here I'm going to give this a right good tidy up because we've seen something else that I want to rectify. But yeah, that's where we are. That's what we're up to. I'll crack on.
You getting on, Rich?
I knew you were coming when I lifted this in. I am just about to lift the radiator in, but I'll show you what I've done first. So, brand new radiator. We've mounted the fan, mounted it on the front side, which will draw the air through, shove the air through, cold air through. Obviously drilled all the holes to fit. This is probably what my 5th or 6th time in and out. But yeah, it's all mounted up. Little tail for the fan, so that can be unbolted and bolted in every time. And then little jockey wire at the back, so it's all neat and tidy out the way. So the only wiring around the front now is your fan radiator, fan relay, which is out the way. So I'll just throw the radiator in, and then you can have a look what that looks like.
An economical repair, isn't it?
Yeah. Don't fit now. There we go. Job's a good one. There you go. There you go. Nip all that up. Tie wrap it all up nice and neat. Didn't want to get rid of the stalks that come out the back in case it ever does want remounting. You can reuse your old stalks. But yeah, radiator is in.
Hello, Rich.
Hello.
What's going on?
I am polishing my pipe.
Lovely.
The water, well, cooling side of things is now done, apart from putting the coolant in and running it up to temperature, make sure everything's okay. But yeah, new radiator, new coolant line. The diameter of the coolant radiator, sorry, at the bottom was a different size, so we put a new coupling in. New gaskets for the water pump, 4 brand new bolts because one were missing. And yeah, all mounted back up. While we did that, obviously I sorted out all the wiring, etc., and found out the alternator was loose and not in line. So we've now in line and just spaced out to make it in line. Don't know why it was loose in the first place, but yeah. So next port of call, throw some coolant in it, fire it up, and it's now not going to overheat, and it's not going to throw petrol all over the place, and it's now going to break and everything else. One little bit of thing to do, which is tyres, which will be another separate video as well. But yeah, all good to go.